Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 568. Before we begin, let's show the local time here in Toronto, Ontario. It is now 12:07 a.m. my friends. That means we are 7 minutes after Winnipeg, which would have been the last team to sell in this box break. And we've gathered all the information and we are ready to go. This ended Wednesday, July the 20th for one box of Series 2 Hobby. It happens to be the last box from case number 4. It also happens to be the last break we do for a few weeks. I know there's case number 2 still in the balance. We still have a few boxes to do there, but we'll pick that back up in a few weeks' time as we are taking a vacation break. Okay, guys? If you open up the description of the team that you bought, you'll see that information there. You'll also see that serial number there. That is the same serial number that I'm staring at in the box in front of me, and we'll show that to the camera before we open it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Now let's go over the rules really quickly, as there's some new guys with me, and it's always good to refresh everybody's memory and how it works. Let's use Bizik 1978 as an example. He owns the Dallas Stars and the Ottawa Senators. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack contains a hit. That hit, and only that hit, is the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Dallas Star cards or any Ottawa Senator hits, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Bizik 1978. There could be a time, or there could be in this box, that there are no Ottawa Senator cards. I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, I'm not going to mail anything to Bizik 1978 for Ottawa because there was nothing to mail. There were no hits for Ottawa. That's how box breaks work. I know we paid 65 cents shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everybody. Amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with all the hits from Series 2 Hobby. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. BB Hawkinier has the Panthers. Bizik has the Stars and the Senators. Brandon Berry has the Islanders, the Penguins, and the Kraken. Chthonic has the Wild, the Canadiens, the Predators, the Devils, and the Sharks. The Vancouver Canucks and the Vegas Golden Knights. Seashell has the Flyers and the Lightning. Debomatic has the Coyotes. Fire Guy has the Oilers. Gumster has the Bruins. JBA has the Hurricanes. Kekres has the Blackhawks, the Blues, and the Leafs. Marley has the Jets. Piglavin has the Avalanche, the Jackets, the Wings, and the Kings. Roboker has the Ducks, the Rangers, and the Capitals. Super Pop has the Flames. And rounding us out, Bente has the Buffalo Sabres. Let's remember that, 474-471, as I bring you over to the last box of case number 4. Let's end it with a bang. Let's show that serial number up and close. 474. There we go. 474-471. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered, my friends. The last break for a while. So hope to see you guys when we return. Again, case 2. There's still some boxes outstanding that we need to finish. But I also have some retail, so we'll mix them in and we'll get it done. But this is the last box from case number 4 and the last break for a few weeks. There we go. Good luck, my friends. Box break number 568. Box case number 4. Box 12 of 12. We start off with a Young Gun of Jake Neighbors. Go to your Blues. There we go. It's always nice to start off with a Young Gun. First hit. Okay. It's stuck, but it's a blue dazzler behind here. Eventually, when it wants to go. Brady Tkachuk, go to your Ottawa Senators. We have an Upper Deck Black Young Guns Canvas of William Eklund. Nice portrait look. Way to end the box. That is a nice hit. maybe 2 per case, but I think it's 1 per case. Young Guns Black. They come on some base cards every once in a while. I mean, on some, yeah, base canvas cards, but rarely on a Young Gun. Nice hit for San Jose. Now we have an upper deck canvas Blake Wheeler going to your Winnipeg Jets. We have a Young Ones of William Lockwood going to your Vancouver Canucks. We have a Philip Gustafson Upper Deck Portrait Rookies going to your Ottawa Senators. We have a Superstar Honor Roll of Anton Lundell going to your Panthers. A Superstar Honor Roll of Cam York going to your Philadelphia Flyers. A Marquee Rookies of Mike Hardman going to your Blackhawks. Young Guns, Brent Murray going to your Sabres. Looks like a tall guy. How tall is this kid? 6'5". Wow. Takes up the whole card. Young Gun, Upper Deck Canvas, Daniel Nurse going to your Edmonton Oilers. Upper Deck Canvas, John Tavares for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Ryan Suter for your Dallas Stars, OPG base card. Marquee Rookies of Cole Sillinger going to your Columbus Blue Jackets. Just going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. Wow, way to end the box. Congratulations to Detroit. A Moritz Seider going to your Detroit Red Wings. Big hit. Congratulations. Good box 12. There's our French variant of Ivan Provorov going to your Philadelphia Flyers, variant Francais. We have an Upper Deck Canvas of Jack Roslovic going to your Columbus Blue Jackets. A Upper Deck Portrait Rookies of Jan Jenik going to your Coyotes. Variant Francais of Lawson Krause for your Arizona Coyotes. Young Guns, not bad. Vasily Podolskin going to your Vancouver Canucks. Still 4 packs to go in this very good final box. See what else it has in store. A Joe Thornton base card of your Florida Panthers for your Florida Panthers. A marquee rookies of Adam Ruzicka going to your Calgary Flames. A marquee rookies of Mason McTavish going to your Anaheim Ducks. Final pack, final hit. We will go back to the main screen, show who owns this hit, and sign off for the time. We have a Frederick Allard Young Gun, and we have another hit behind it. Wow. It is a Young Guns exclusive, I think. Big hit behind this one. 2 hits in this pack. Both Young Guns. So let's show this one first. This one go to your Nashville Predators. Frederick Allard. So nice hit for Nashville. And behind that we have a Dyson Mayo exclusive Young Gun. Massive hit. Final box was a doozy. We did end with a bang. Go to your Arizona Coyotes. 79 out of 100. That is a massive hit. Congratulations, Arizona. Woo! Final pack, final box, final case. Ridiculous. All right, let's go back to the main screen. Show who owns the lucky big hit Arizona. Arizona. Goes to Double-Matic. Big hit there, buddy. Congratulations on that. Let's sign off with the time. And this will be signing off for the last time for a while. So hopefully see you in a couple weeks as we resume. It's now 12:19 a.m., my friends. That concludes case number 4. And again, stay tuned and hopefully we see you in future breaks.